What's up, everybody? The holiday season is right around the corner, and that means gifts. And I have 3 really cool ideas that you might want to make in your workshop. And as an added bonus, I am going to be personalizing some of these with a laser that was provided by our sponsor, Creality. But more on that later on. First up is a coat rack. Now, I'm going to be making it out of pallet wood, and this is a cool project because I really do love that rustic look that you get with pallet wood, but also it's really inexpensive. Now, the first thing we got to do is clean these boards up, so I'm going to be breaking out an old tool here that I have not used in quite a while. To get the best finish possible, I'm going to be using a wood conditioner first, then I'm going to stain, and then I'm going to be using a polyurethane. I will put links to all the little parts and components that I use on these projects in the description below. Up next, I'm going to be using some leftover cherry and walnut to make a container to hold these Slate Coasters, which I plan on engraving in just a little while on the Laser Falcon. Before I go any further, I want to personalize this gift, and so this is a perfect opportunity for me to share with you today's sponsor for this video, Creality. Now, Creality makes a laser engraver, and this one here is a CR Laser Falcon. This is the 10-watt model, and this thing packs enough power where you can cut and engrave a very wide variety of materials, including wood, acrylic, leather, paper, slate, cork, and even certain types of metal. If you are interested in getting into engraving, this machine packs a lot of power for a pretty reasonable price. So if you want more info, I will put that link in the description and you can check it out. Our next gift is a wall-mounted bottle opener, but this one's a little different because it has magnets in the back, which means you can attach it very easily to any metal surface, and it even has a magnetic cap holder.
So these are the two magnets you're going to be using. You need two of these. This is going to hold the plate up against whatever metal surface you're mounting it to, and this is to catch the bottle caps as they're on their way down.
I need to make sure that this magnet is going to be able to pick up these bottle caps through the wood, and to do that I need to get it as close to the surface as possible. So I'm going to be using these Forstner bits to get out as much of the material as I possibly can. The Forstner bit did a pretty good job removing the material, but it didn't let me get as close as I wanted to the surface because, as you can see here, they have these little pointy tips to them. So to get a little bit closer, I'm going to be using my router and a flush trim bit, and I'm going to remove just a little bit more material.
To set the magnets, I'm going to be using this 1-minute epoxy.
If you want any information about the materials that I use on these projects or information about the CR Laser Falcon, there are links below in the description so you can check those out. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please put those in the comments and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. The holiday season is approaching us very quickly, so I hope this video gave you some ideas of the kinds of gifts that you can make in your workshop. I hope everybody has a very happy, healthy, and safe holiday season. Happy New Year, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.